Welcome back, everyone. I'm Coach K, and we're going to look at what I am going to tell you the market is likely going to do today.
Fat kiddo.
Here's what I'm seeing. A lot of crypto Twitter is saying I'm very, very bearish. We're going to 95. We're going to 95. And I mean, yeah, we could, but they keep saying it over and over again. It makes me feel that we could have a fake out. And what a fake out looks like is just what I'm drawing on here on this arrow, where we come up, people get bullish. They think, oh yeah, it's great. We're going to go out to the moon. And then they buy back in, and then the market dumps.
That's bait.
Now it's showing on funding that actually there's more shorts being added than longs, and probably more shorts will be added as we go up. And the smart money will be shorting, and the funds and stuff, and the retail guys will get brought back in and to buy all their alts and buy their Bitcoin. This is something I caution everyone about all the time, and it's not because I want to be right. It's because I see what the market's going to do. Here I can see us coming up to the Kijun, tapping and coming lower. That is only if the market goes bullish, but we have a couple factors to tell us that as well, like our DXY dropping yesterday. We could see this happen and play out, but what I expect, fully expect, is that we actually drop after coming up. If we fill this gap first, we will come up to 10.7 and likely drop all the way down to this point of control right down here at 9,200. Now, VPVR, what this is, it shows us how many buyers and sellers there are at certain levels of stacked orders. As you can see, there's very little stacked orders in this area for buys and sells. So us to come quickly up and tap would be very easy because there's not many people selling and there's not many people buying. Same as if we came down and filled the gap. Not many people buying, not many people selling. But here, down as we get lower, there's a lot more people that are going to be buying all the way down to $9,100, even $9,000 itself. These are areas that we can look at people coming in and also shorting and potentially selling out. It's very interesting to watch and see how that will play out, but I don't generally use VPVR for that reason. I look to just see where are the buys and the sells potentially going to be, and where is the point of control where the most buys and sells are, and that is all the way down at 9,200. We're very likely going to screw crypto Twitter over and make everyone bullish, come up, fill this gap right here, and then come back down over the weekend or potentially next week and come and fill this gap down here, at very least to this 96, 9,500 level, okay? Now, if we break that level, like I said, if we get below the cloud, it'll be bearish, and it could come all the way down to 92 and then to 88. These are less likely, but very, very possible, okay? So watch those levels. That's what I'm expecting to happen. Ethereum has a very similar looking chart, but they have a 3 inside up, which is when the mother candle's bigger. The second candle's like more than halfway up this first one, and then the third one closes above. Now this still hasn't closed. They have 15 hours, right? 15 and a half hours. This could literally come right back down. But the Kumo top, this green line right here, shows us that we're likely been holding that level to go higher. I still really think that this market's going to have a bearish cycle, and we're going to, especially Bitcoin dumps, come down to 307, and very likely where we're seeing right here, this level at $275. Now you might need to be patient for that, so don't be the guy who's always in a rush.
Hurry up and buy!
Moving on, we can see gold is still holding that beautiful yellow line. And did DXY, what happened with it? Well, it went up, it went down, so gold went up. It went down, so Bitcoin went up. It went down, so stock markets went up, right? But I'm going to show you something that's happening right now in the pre-markets that might be quite interesting for you and why you should be a little bit cautious with the markets right now. The DJI had a nice day yesterday, right? Great. But let's look at the SPX 500. It's already starting bearish. Now we closed below this level. We tapped this level right here at 3,400. We couldn't close above it. We tried to break above it today. We tapped the 21-day EMA and we dropped back down. Now we're at the point of control right here where there's the most buying and selling. So it could come back, but I expect when the market opens that this could drop if the DXY does a move to the plus side, meaning that the DXY bounces this 21-day EMA and breaks back up just like I expected. Now, generally when we have this many days of green, such a powerful move, we'll have a couple days of red, and then we'll continue moving up. So just because it moved down a little bit in the last 2 days does not mean that it's out of the woodworks yet. If it comes down to this Tenkin down here, yes, we'll definitely see the markets run. So watch those levels. They're very important. Funny thing is my Facemelter pick, no matter how crazy the markets got, never even came close to the stop loss and is now right back where it started at. And we're looking already for this trade to be all the way up to almost 30%, 32%. And it has a lot of room for growth and not much buy or sell pressure to really stop it. As we can see, it's all down here. Tons and tons of buyers come down here. So we have to watch the IoTeX trade. And I mean, there's other trades that we can go over. Wi-Fi had a really big rebound yesterday right off of this watch level. Well, the 21-day EMA, and it loves this level. Look at it, hold, boom, comes back up. And I mean, it doesn't seem like a lot, but if you had bought it just the other day, you're up $7,000 a Wi-Fi. So you're doing pretty good and sitting pretty calm. That's basically it for the markets. We don't need to go further. Bitcoin is very bearish for me on a short time frame. We might fake out to the top. Ethereum might follow exactly what Bitcoin does, and many alts, if the Bitcoin does drop, will drop with it. But if you want to take some gambles, you know, where you think, okay, well, it's worth the risk. No, do your risk management. Put 1% in. If you lose 1%. Take a couple chances if you like to start adding on if you want to, because if we do go up to 10.7, they'll have some nice short-term trade opportunities, but do not get married to coins this time. Take profit, because if we do, and I'm thinking very strongly, I'm sure that we're going to come back down, that we should be planning ahead. So you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Don't be that person. Don't be this guy. Now, one project I've been harping on in Coach's Corner for a while was this one, ShareRing Global. Well, you do not know that in the last, not even 1 day, 20 hours, we're up 83%. Beautiful, right? And then you ask me the question, why? Why, Coach, does this go up? Well, we have a few things that have been happening with ShareRing that are huge. And now I might know some stuff a little bit, but I'm not really too sure, so I'm not going to share it yet. But as I know for sure, I will share ShareRing with you. Now, Tim, just today, 4 hours ago, said next Tuesday, one of the well-known blockchain media outlets will be announcing a big partnership for ShareRing Global. They're going to do a live stream, Twitter, YouTube, overview of what it all means, and they're going to reveal some of their plans. And honestly, knowing Tim Boss personally, I think some stuff is going to be massive for them. I would strongly keep your eye on ShareRing. Another one. So Alvin Chung, he works with ShareRing as one of their marketing managers. And he posted a national level partnership next week, 18 hours ago. Stay tuned. And he put the Great Wall of China. National level partnership, Great Wall of China. What's going on with China with some of the projects in the space? Put 2 and 2 together. You tell me. I know what's going on. It's too clear to me as day, but I'm not going to say it. You can figure it out though, right? China, big national partnership. Who else has national partnerships? What in China is there that has a national partnership? You'll figure it out. And the last thing was, there was a question of, it looks like the 5 big partnerships that they have announced, which they have 5 big partnerships. This is why I've been very bullish on it, and they're not flaky ones, they're real ones that are going to use their token. How about a tier 1 exchange before the partnerships? Well, which exchange will it be? Will it be Huobi? I actually said, well, AVA is in Binance, so maybe it'll be Kucoin or Huobi. Maybe be OKX. Maybe Binance. Oh, that would be beautiful, even if Binance has AVA. I'd love to see ShareRing on there too. So we have to wait and see what's going to happen. But I expect something big is going to happen with this national level partnership, with the tier 1 exchange, with this announcement, with their partnerships that they have. 5 huge ones. I think you guys are all going to be blown away by what they have in store. All right, so then we have one last piece where they made this global pass Tim is actually going to be speaking to all of these huge airlines and travel operators. Not only is he going to be doing that, they built this thing called the COVID Pass. And this COVID-19 Pass is very innovative because it doesn't share data. You keep it on your own phone. You can then share when you go to airports and things that you don't have COVID, so you can travel into different countries, you've been tested, and you share this data with them. The other thing that's really interesting that they have is their insurance connections with the Thai insurance companies. Not only that, they have the visa on arrival with Thailand. So you know those cards you usually get and you have to fill out that are really annoying and you always have to have a pen? You'll be able to do that from your phone from now on when you come to Thailand. And so that has been in the trial. Obviously no travel has been happening, but this is something that will happen in the future. And all this will be on your phone. You'll be able to have money on your phone. You'll be able to have your bookings on your phone, your visa on arrival on your phone, your COVID pass on your phone, booking your car, booking your hotel, booking everything, all from one device, one place. Simple, easy, great, and effective. But also having cash that you can use your phone from as well. So everything will be done through one app. You'll have it all in one app. I think this is a really cool project you should check out. Do not miss it. And this is not a paid sponsorship. This is something that I truly believe in. So check it out. It is a project that you do not want to miss. And if you look at the chart, it is just getting started. Don't miss it. You'll be sad. So to recap everything that we talked about, Bitcoin might fake us out, but it's still, for me, bearish. Ethereum, same thing. If it closes at 3 inside up, we could see potentially us going a little bit higher before coming lower and another fake out. Other than that, we looked at ShareRing and all of their big partnerships, potentially a tier 1 exchange, and what's to come from them in terms of insurance, visa on arrival, hotel bookings, etc., etc., etc. They're making an all-in-one app to do literally everything, and it already works. And there's a hinting of that national level partnership in China. Now, I really thank and appreciate all you guys for watching. I really do. If you guys want to help me, all you got to do is click on that like and subscribe button. Leave comments in here. Let me know when is a good time for you. Which day of the week would you like me to do a live feed where you guys can come on for an hour, 45 minutes, and talk about crypto, ask me to do some technical analysis. We'll do some polls in my group at Coach's Corner. Join, please. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you all have a great day and appreciate all of you. So much love and thanks from all you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'm Coach K, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Fat kiddo, fat kiddo, huge fat kiddo.